This activity is called Do the Dishes. As you can see, I've taken some pots and pans and bowls out of my kitchen. Don't tell Mrs. Scanlon, she won't be happy. And I've set them up on the floor against a wall so that we can use those as targets to throw something into. You can choose anything really to use to throw. I have a tennis ball here that I found in my garage. I have one of these like squishy stress balls that I found in my son's room. And you can always use something like a rolled up pair of socks. That works great as something to throw. For a line to throw behind, I just took one of my belts and laid it on the floor. But you can really use anything, piece of paper, shoelace, anything you want, just to mark a line to throw behind. And then the object of the game is to throw whatever you're throwing. I'm going to use an underhand throw, still remembering to step with my opposite foot, use that tick-tock motion, point with my other hand, and keep my eye on the target, and try to throw the object into one of the pots and pans. If you get the object into a pot and pan like I did, then you get to take that one away. Then you come back to the line and throw again. And try to get it into something else. Oh, I missed that time. So I'm going to come up, grab it. I've done 2 throws. This is now my 3rd throw. Trying to get that sock, yes, into a bowl. Then I'm going to go take that bowl away. 3 throws down. And I'm counting how many throws does it take me to get all of the pots and pans gone. And then you can set them up again, set them up in a different way, and then you can try it again and try to beat your score. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pots and pans. So the best score I could get would be 6. Now for a little variation of this, okay, if you have a ball that bounces, you can try, instead of throwing it underhand and landing it in, you can try throwing it overhand and bouncing it, oh, so close, and landing it in that way. Another variation you can try is you can pick a time limit. I'm going to pick 20 seconds on my stopwatch, and I'm going to see how many times I can land the ball into a bucket in 20 seconds. So now we're getting a little bit of cardiovascular exercise in here too. Ready? And go. I throw that ball. Oh, didn't get it. I run back behind the line. Throw again. Oh, I didn't get it again. Whew. Back again. This time I'm going to try bouncing it. Hey, I got one. That's 1. Oh, 5 seconds left. Here I go. Can I get one more? Oh, so I got 1 in 20 seconds. So then I can try to beat my score. Lastly, if you have someone in the house that you want to play this with, you can play against them. See who can get more shots into one of our pots and pans, or do a timed game to see who can get the most points. Have fun with doing the dishes. I bet it'll be the most fun you've ever had doing the dishes in your house.